How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I will be making a hickey video. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, please follow me on Instagram, DylanBerg999. For all the fitness people watching this, you're wondering why I'm making a hickey video. For all my current subscribers, the reason for this, it gives me a little bit of break in between my workout bits. Gives me, again, a little bit of a break. And a lot of comments per day about hickey, so I answer them. So again, no hate. Try not to hate me. I do provide lots of content for you guys. Okay, so subscriber wants to know, can you get rid of a hickey using comb brush? The bristles on the brush. Oh my goodness. I would not do this. The comb, like a comb, you got like the handle, then you got like the bristles on the end. Those bristles will make your neck very red, could probably even cause some inflammation, in my opinion. So I would never do that, ever, ever, ever. I kind of see what you're getting at. You want to rub it to get rid of the hickey. Rubbing it is good. That's actually the way that I recommend doing it. But the bristles will cause inflammation if you rub too much. Again, the point of the bristles is to comb your hair. That's the point of it, not to get rid of hickeys. So yeah, subscriber, I would not do that. Okay, so how do you actually get rid of the hickey? Because you guys want to know, that's why you're watching the video. There's lots of different ways that you can get rid of a hickey. I'll tell you guys a couple and then I'll tell you my way. So an easy way to get rid of a hickey is to use makeup. Makeup is amazing. It will hide it. You can also hide it with clothes. You can hide it with a turtleneck, a scarf. Turtleneck's the big one, scarf, stuff like that. But how to actually get rid of it, use a coin or a spoon, rub the area, roughly 2 minutes. After the 2 minutes is done, 90% of the people will get their hickey removed. So again, it just takes two minutes to get rid of it. For the 10% that do not get rid of the hickey, 5 minutes of rubbing and it will instantly get rid of the hickey. Now, you'll have to wait 5 to 10 minutes after rubbing it because your neck will be red. This is a common complaint I get with people. They're like, oh, you made my neck red. You made my neck red. You made it 10 times worse. When you rub something, when you rub something, it gets red. That's the point of your skin. If your skin did not get red, I would be super, super concerned. So yeah, wait 5-10 minutes for the redness to go away. Your hickey will also be gone as well. I get a lot of comments from people saying, wow, I did not expect this to work, but it did. That's crazy. So yeah, it does work. Try it out. Let me know. End of video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video, share it. Please follow me on Instagram, DylanBerg999. Thank you.